Hello, this is Danny with Robbins Instruments. I'm here to show you a quick video on how to assemble the new Mark II handle. First, take your transmission, put the seal on top of it, and this seal is just a protective sleeve so debris and fluid doesn't get in the transmission. Attach your motor, slide this through the handle. Now take this O-lock. Now, instead of snaking it through the entire cable, you could slide it here and lock down your motor and transmission so it doesn't fall out of the handle. The cannula adapter now connects directly on here, like so, and then it's a quick screw to lock it in. This is where your tubing will attach for aspiration. It attaches directly to the cannula adapter now. If you have a SST adapter to attach your infiltration tubing, you can attach that directly here and run it down the handle. And that's how you assemble the new Mark II. Thank you.